Hey guys, welcome back. So if you consider to take money out of your TFSA in 2026 to make a big purchase, you should do it now. Although TFSA allows you to earn investment income on a tax-free basis and withdraw at any time, there are some planning that you can do to maximize its benefits. Many people don't know that withdrawals from your TFSA, you can now put it back the same amount within the same calendar year. So let's say that you've maxed out your TFSA contribution each year up to this point. Let's say it's around 70K, and then you want to make a big purchase in March 2026, which calls you to withdraw 50K. Logically speaking, the 50K that you withdraw would open up your contribution room, which will allow you to recontribute for the same amount. However, the CRA states that the withdrawals made from a TFSA in a year will only be added back to your TFSA contribution room at the beginning of the following year, which means that the 50K that you withdraw from your TFSA, you won't be able to recontribute the same amount until January 1st, 2027. So at the beginning of the following year. Well, many people may ask, why would I want to recontribute the same amount? Because I need the money. Well, life happens. It doesn't always happen in the negative direction. It can also be something positive. Let's say you get a big promotion, you get a big raise, you get a bonus, you get some extra cash, which you want to put into your TFSA, let it earn investment income at a tax-free basis. Let's say that you receive a 30K bonus in May 2026. Well, too bad. In our scenario, because you withdraw the money in 2026, the maximum allocation that you can have to your TFSA would be 7K, which is the limit contribution for 2026. So for anything more than 7K, it will be taxed at 1% per month of the highest excess that you have for the given month until that balance reduced to less or equal to 7K. However, if you made the withdrawal in 2025, then the maximum contribution in 2026 will be the 50K that you withdraw plus the 7K limit contribution that is allowed in 2026. So in total, you'll be able to contribute into the TFSA for 57K. And this starts in January 1st, 2026. And this is all because the rule states that any withdrawals made from your TFSA will only be able to add it back at the beginning of the following year. So if you make the withdrawal of 50K in 2025, then your contribution room will instantly become the 50K that you made withdrawal in 2025 plus the maximum contribution that is available for 2026. So in total, it will be 57K starting January 1st, 2026. There's one caveat. This also speaks from my own experience. Only your original contribution room will be added back in the following year. So if you have maxed out your contribution room each year, and then let's say that's 70K. So which means that you have contribute 70K of your own money into your TFSA account. And for the past couple of years, it has grown to 100K through investments. So if you take out 100K, then the following year, you shouldn't be able to add it back 100K. Only the 70K of your original contribution that you made will be added back in the following year, not the 100K. So that's something you need to really keep in mind. I've made a mistake. I maxed out my contribution room and then take out more than what I originally contributed. As a result, I received 1% per month until that balance dropped equal or less than what I originally contributed. So that's something you really need to keep in mind when you make the contribution into your TFSA. So in summary, if you plan on to make a big purchase in 2026, and then you consider to take money out from your TFSA to make that purchase, then you really need to consider to withdraw the money now in 2025 instead of 2026, so that you will have that contribution room instantly available January 1st, 2026. So please let me know if you need more clarity, and please make sure that you like, subscribe, leave the comment down below if there's anything more you want to hear about. Until next time, bye now, enjoy.